This is a mini introduction to interests and goals. The 2 lectures associated with this topic will detail the types of goals in conflict and also goal setting, motivation, and achievement. All conflicts hinge upon the reality that people perceive incompatible goals held by at least 2 people who seem to be interfering with what the other person wants. Whether a sister and her older brother are struggling over limited parental attention, 2 managers are competing for a coveted promotion in an organization, 2 friends want to go to different concerts, but with each other, or a seller and buyer are arguing over the price of a car. The perception of incompatible goals fuels the conflict. In every conflict, the interdependence of the parties rests on both common and disparate goals. Conflict is more than a disagreement. When people believe that another interferes with their interests and goals, they sense conflict. Goals differ depending on the relationship. On the job, you may primarily want to gain information from colleagues or to persuade them about something, or to experience stimulation and satisfaction from your work. With siblings, you may want to maintain close contact while they stay more casual about connection. Goals range from attaining money, goods, services, love, or status in getting information. In a conversation, your primary goal might be to express your emotions. The majority of conflicts in step families involve resources like possessions, space, time, attention, privacy, or money. In emotionally charged conflict situations, you may be confused about what goals you want to achieve. Now, in our next lectures, pay close attention to the interests and goals not only of yourself, but the other person.